Morning, students. My name is Jyoti Prabha Nahak. I'm from Government UG High School, Tampakela, under Gurundia Block, District Sundargarh. Okay, so dear children, I want to show you some pictures. Would you like to see the pictures? Okay, let's see what are the pictures. Okay, look at the smart board. There are two pictures, right? What do you observe in these pictures? Tell me, what do you observe? There are two pictures, right? So, what do you observe in these pictures? Yes, in picture 1, we can see that two people are fighting or they are quarreling. And in picture 2 also, we see some women, and here two women are fighting with each other or quarreling with each other, right? Yes. So, dear children, have you ever seen the village people quarreling of village people? Have you ever seen? Yes, the village people also quarrel, right? What do you think, why do they quarrel? Do you have any idea? Yes, they quarrel for many more reasons, right? That may be your land dispute, that may be monetary problem, that may be any other problem. There are many more reasons where people of village also quarrel with each other, right? Okay, so do you think to settle down their problem, to solve their problem, they go to courts? Okay. So, do you think they go to village panchayat or pancha to solve their problems, to settle their problems? Yes, they go to village panchayat. At first, they go to village panchayat or village pancha to settle down their issues, their problems, right? So, do you have any idea or have you ever heard about village judge? Okay, no problem. So, there is a text, non-detailed text on your textbook, English textbook, the village judge, which is in your page number 126. Okay, so would you like to read the story? Okay, very good. So we will read the story, the village judge. Okay, before read the story, we must know something about the writer. Okay, look at the picture. He is Munshi Premchand. Okay, the writer of the story, The Village Judge. Okay, let's know something about him. So, Munshi Premchand was born on 31st July 1880 and died on 8th October 1936. And his real name was Dhanpat Rai. His real name was Dhanpat Rai. He was an Indian writer famous for his modern Hindustani literature. Okay, he had been referred with information about Munshi Premchand. Then we will read the story. Okay, open your book, page number 126. Okay, let's read the passage. Juman Sheikh and Olgo Chaudhary were great friends. Each trusted the other completely. Juman Sheikh had an old aunt. She had a small piece of property. Zuman had persuaded her to transfer the property to his name. So long as it was not done, the aunt had been treated with great kindness and respect. But when the property was transferred, all kindness vanished. Juman and his wife Kariman became harsh and Okay, let's read the passage once again. Okay, from the beginning. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were great friends. Each trusted the other completely. Juman Sheikh had an old aunt. She had a small piece of property. Zuman had persuaded her to transfer the property to his name. So long as it was not done, the aunt had been treated with great kindness and respect. But when the property was transferred, all kindness vanished. Zuman and his wife Kariman became harsh and rude. Okay, so here we see two people are here. One is Zuman and another one is Algu Chaudhary. They were great friends, good friends, intimate friends. Okay, and Juman had an old aunt, and the old aunt possesses a small piece of property. Okay, so Juman tried to convince or try to persuade her aunt to transfer the property to his name. Okay, then what happened next? The aunt transferred the property to Juman's name. Then when the property was transferred, then the behavior of Juman and his wife, the name of his wife, Kariman, okay, became changed and they became harsh and rude. Okay, so let's see some difficult words in glossary and their meanings. So first one is trust. Trust means to believe that someone is good, honest and not try to harm you. Okay, then persuaded. Persuaded, to convince. Persuade means to convince. Then vanish. Vanish, to disappear suddenly. Sudden disappear. Then harsh. Harsh, very strict and unkind. Then treat. Treat means to behave someone in a particular way. Then rude. Rude means not polite or behaving in a way that hurt others. Okay, so these are some difficult words from the passage. Clear? Now I'm going to ask you some comprehension question. Try to answer me. Okay, let's see the comprehension questions. Yes, this is the passage. Then these are some comprehension questions. Let's try to solve the questions. So first one is, who were great friends? Who were great friends? Read the passage and find out the answer. Who were great friends? Yes, the answer is here. Zuman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were great friends. Very good. Then come to the second one. What is it? Who trusted each other completely? Who trusted? Look at the sentence. Each trusted the other completely. Each trusted means both Zuman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. Okay, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary both trusted each other completely. Okay, then number 3. What did Juman Sheikh's old aunt possess? Tell me, what did Juman Sheikh's old aunt possess? Yes, let's read the passage from here. Juman Sheikh had an aunt. She had a small piece of property. So the aunt possessed a small piece of property, right? Yeah, good. Then come to fourth one. What is the fourth question? How did Zuman and his wife treat his aunt when she had her property? How they behave when the aunt had her property? Okay, let's find out the answer from the passage. Zuman had persuaded her aunt to transfer the property to his name. So long as it was not done, the aunt had been treated with great kindness and respect. Okay, so when the aunt had her property, Juman and his wife, who was his wife? Yes, Kariman, right? Juman and his wife, Kariman, treat him with great respect, great kindness and respect. Okay, Then come to fifth one. How long did Juman's family treat the old aunt kindly? How long? Find out the answer from the passage. Yes. Where is it? Yes. So long as it was not done. That means till the property had not been transferred to Juman's name, at that moment, till that moment, the aunt had treated very kindly. Okay? Okay. Then come to the sixth one. What's the sixth number? Question number 6. What happened when the old aunt's property was transferred to Juman's name? Yes, what happened after the property had been transferred? Find out the answer. Yes, look at the here. But when the property was transferred, okay, all kindness vanished. Okay, the kindness vanished. All kindness of Juman and his wife Karimans vanished. Okay, then come to seventh one. What is the number 7 question? How did Juman and his wife behave to the old aunt when she transferred the property to Juman's name? When the property had been transferred, what happened next? How their behavior changed? The behavior become changed. How? It is they become harsh and rude, right? Their behavior become harsh and rude. They behave harshly and rudely. Okay? Okay. So, let's read some more paragraphs from the book. Let's read. Let's start. For some time, the aunt bore all this, but when she could bear it no more, she complained to Juman. Sean, I cannot go on like this anymore. You should give me some money. I shall cook and eat separately. Juman replied rudely, money does not grow on trees here. The aunt grew angry. She threatened to call a panchayat. Juman said, certainly, I have a panchayat by all means. I also would like a decision. I hate their daily quarrels myself. Okay, so this is the paragraph. Let's see some difficult words and their meanings. Okay, first one is complain. Meaning of complain? Yes, to say that you are not happy about something. You are not happy about something, you have to say, and that's called complain. Okay, then separately, not gather, separate, not gather, not together. Okay, then threaten to warn. Okay, certainly, definitely, or without doubt. Okay, so let's do some comprehension question. Try to answer. Okay, let's see what are the questions. These are some questions. Okay, we can find the answer from this passage. Let's read the question and try to find out the answers. Okay, so question number 1. Why did the old aunt, want some money from Juman? Why did the old aunt want some money from Juman? Yes, find out the answer from the passage. Read the passage carefully and find out the answer. For some time the aunt bore all this, but when she could bear it no more, she complained to Juman, Sean, I cannot go on like this anymore. You should give me some money. I shall cook and eat separately. Sure. Why did the old aunt want some money from Juman? Yes, to cook and eat separately. Very good. To cook and eat separately. Yes. Then come to the second one. Did Juman agree to give money to the old aunt? Did Juman agree? Yes, find out the answer. No, Juman didn't agree to give any money to the old aunt, right? Okay, then number 3. What did Juman reply when the old aunt asked for money? First of all, Juma didn't agree to give any money. He refused to give, right? Then what he replied? What was his reply? Look, Zuman replied rudely. What was the reply? Money does not grow on trees here. Okay, his reply was, money does not grow on trees here. Okay, then the fourth question. What did the old aunt threaten to do when Juman refused to give her money? We came to know that Juman didn't agree or refused to pay the money or give the money to the old aunt. After that, what did the old aunt threaten to do? What did the old aunt threaten to do? Okay, come to the next part of the passage. The aunt grew angry. She threatened to call a panchayat, right? So, what did the old aunt threaten to do? She threatened to call a panchayat. Yes, good. Then the fifth one. Who said, I had daily quarrels myself? It's a very easy question, right? Okay, find out the answer from the passage. I had daily quarrels myself. Okay, look at the passage. Zuman said, certainly, I have a panchayat by all means. I also would like a decision. I had their daily quarrels. So who said that? I had their daily quarrels? Yes, Zuman. The answer is Zuman. Zuman said that. Here is the answer. Zuman. Okay. Juman said that. Yes, certainly have a panchayat. Have a panchayat. Okay. By all means, I also would like a decision. I hate their daily quarrels. I don't like the quarrels. I didn't like the quarrels. So you may call a panchayat. Definitely you can call a panchayat. Okay. So from this part, these are some comprehension question, and let's read some more paragraphs. Okay. Okay. Look at the paragraphs. Read the paragraphs carefully. Okay. For several days after this, the old woman ran from village to village with a stick in her hand to support her. Most of the people did not hear the story of the poor woman with care and attention and did not offer her any comfort. After making her rounds, she came at last to Algu Chaudhary. She threw her stick, waited for a while to regain her breath, and said, Sean, you also should come to my panchayat for a short while. Then Algu replied, I can come along if you like, but I shall not open my mouth there. Okay. Then the aunt asked, why, Sean? Okay. Algu answered, Zuman is an old friend of mine. I cannot quarrel with him. Aunt answered, Sean, will you hesitate to say the honest thing because you fear a quarrel? Will you hesitate? Algu had no reply to give to his question of the old woman, but her words continued to echo in her heart. Will you hesitate to say the honest thing because you fear a quarrel? Okay, so after threatening, aunt threatened to Juman to call a panchayat. And Juman answered, yes, you may call. Okay, you may call a panchayat. Then the old lady, look at the picture. Okay, Juman's aunt with a stick. She hold a stick, right? Ran from village to village. Why did she run? Yes, she ran to support her, to tell the story to the village people. See, ran from village to village. But most of the people did not hear. Okay, no one hear her story, and no one gave her any comfort. Then at last, the old aunt came to Algu Chaudhary. Yes, Algu came to Algu Chaudhary, and when she reached at Algu's house. She threw her stick and waited for a while to regain her breath and said, Sean, you also should come to my panchayat, okay, for a short while. Then there is a conversation between Algu and aunt. Okay, so now let's see some difficult words from the passage and their meanings. Okay, so what are the words? First one is comfort. Comfort means the feeling of being physically relaxed. The feeling of being physically relaxed. Then regain. Regain, to get something back that you had lost. Then the third one, hesitate. Hesitate means to stop to do something because you are in doubt. Then echo. Echo, a repeated sound. Again and again, a repeated sound. Okay. So now let's do some comprehension question. Are you ready? Okay, let's start then. So the first one is, what did the old aunt run from village to village with? Yes, find out the answer from the passage. For several days after this, the old woman ran from village to village with a stick. Right? So the answer is with a stick. The old aunt ran from village to village with a stick. Okay. Then number 2. Who said, I can come along if you like? Okay, find out the answer from the passage. Who said, I can come along if you like? Yes. Look at the conversation between aunt and Algu. Here Algu said, I can come if you like, but I shall not open my mouth there. Yes. So the answer, who said I can come along if you like? The answer is Algu. Algu Chaudhary. Yes. Then number 3. Why did Algu hesitate to say the honest thing in the panchayat? Why did Algu hesitate to say the honest thing in the panchayat? Yes. Find the answer from the passage. Look at here. Aunt questioned, why Sean? Then Algu answered. What was his answer? Zuman is an old friend of mine. I cannot quarrel with him. Zuman didn't want a quarrel with Zuman. Algu didn't want a quarrel with Zuman. Okay. So he hesitated to answer in the panchayat. Hesitated to share the honest thing in the panchayat. He didn't want a quarrel with Zuman. Yes. Then come to the 4th one. What continued to echo in Algu's heart? What continued in Algu's heart? Yes. Find the answer. Come to the last paragraph. Algu had no reply to give to his question of the old woman, but her words continued to echo in his heart. Yes, but her words continued to echo. Whose words? The old aunt's word. Yes, the old aunt's word continued to echo in Algu's heart. Right? What are the words? Yes. What are the words? Yes. The words are, will you hesitate to say the honest thing because you fear a quarrel? Okay. So, these are some comprehension questions. We have already solved it. Okay. So, dear children, this is all about in your part 1 of the story, The Village Judge. Okay. So, what we learned? Let's summarize. Summary of the part 1 of the story. First of all, we came to know Algu and Zuman. Zuman and Algu were great friends. Then we came to know Zuman had an old aunt and the aunt possessed a small piece of property. Right? Yes. Then thereafter, Zuman pursued to try to convince the aunt to transfer the property. Yes. Then the aunt transferred the property to Zuman's name. Aunt transferred the property to Zuman. Okay. Then what happened next? Yes, the behavior of the Zuman and his wife Karimans became changed, became harsh and rude. Yes, they treated badly. Aunt was treated very badly. Then aunt complained to Zuman, okay, for some money. The old aunt complained to Juman for some money. Okay. Did Juman agree? No. Juman didn't agree. Juman refused to give the money. So Zuman refused to give money. Then thereafter, the old aunt threatened Juman to call a panchayat. So aunt's decision to call a panchayat. Okay, this is the first part of the story, the village judge. Okay, so look at the smart board. Here are some questions. Here is an activity for you. Read the instruction carefully. Fill in the blanks in a word or phrase. Okay, so you have to read the question carefully and try to answer, find out the answer and write the answer in your English notebook. Okay, so this is all about in past part, and we will continue the second part in the next class. Okay, till then, goodbye. Thank you.
आप किसी को कम करो ना।